My name is Glenn, and I'm asking for your help to help me support Australian digital grassroots campaigning. I've been building and managing grassroots websites for over 15 years, specifically providing free hosting. This started by buying cheap reseller accounts till I hit their limits. After upgrading and changing approaches over many years, I was still hitting limits. Originally, I was funding this work myself. Now my focus is on building a social enterprise to support digital grassroots campaigning, so I no longer have cash surplus to fund this hosting work. Along with my mate Tony and a team of geeks from ThoughtWorks, we built a hosting system that can perform and scale. More importantly, we are able to deliver $5,000 in hosting for $1,600, making your donation go very far. I need a fundraise to cover costs of 2 years hosting, so I'm really appreciative of any support and help you can give me. And please share this crowdfunder to your friends and networks. We are also on the lookout for people who would like to volunteer to help support the people who use our system. This will allow us to scale and able to help far more grassroots groups with this hosting service. Thank you and lots of love.